Welcome students. In this video I will explain you how to make notes. So you have to pay attention. Note making, this is the part which is asked in your subjective, and this is of 8 marks portion. Note making, first of all you have to read the passage thoroughly. After reading the passage, you have to mention the title. This is of 1 mark. Note making 2 marks. Abbreviation 1 mark. Summary 4 marks. Total 8 marks portion will be there in your syllabus. Finding title should be short, precise, clear and relevant to the passage. Never pick a long sentences as a title. The title should reveal the spirit, strength of the passage. Begin title with capital letter. It will be a single word or phrase. I hope you can understand well and follow the format. Next, notes should be short, precise and to the point. Not full length of sentences. Make it clear. Full sentences are not acceptable in board exam. They should be relevant with important information in logical order. Find suitable heading and subheadings. Title should not be repeated. Avoid using examples, articles or preposition. Don't use of hyphens, symbols. Introduce gap in all these symbols. So step 1, read passage thoroughly. Second, locate keywords, phrases and sentences. Divide passage structurally. For headings, minimum 3 and maximum 4. Make it clear. Provide required subheadings under each of the heading. So this is the criteria to make notes. You have to follow the format. Next I am moving ahead. Numbering, indentation. Indentation means leaving space at the beginning of a line of print or writing. First write the title, then write down the notes in a logical order from the main heading to the subheading. Main headings, subheadings. Numbering should be spaced little to the right. This is the format. You have to follow the format. This one. Main section, you can mention 1, 2, 3. Subsections A, B, C, D or subsection in Roman letters, first, second, third, fourth. And this is the format. This is called indents. First, second, third. Then you have to mention the subheadings. Next, you may use decimal system. Main section, first, second, third, fourth. Subsection 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 2.1, 2.2. In this way you can take subsection 1.11, 1.12, but you have to follow the same format. You can take any format. Next I am moving ahead. Follow the following steps. Read the passage very carefully. Try to get the theme and subject of the passage. You may ask yourself, what is this passage about? This will provide you the gist. And step 2, read carefully, identify main ideas, important points. Step 3, make notes of main ideas under headings. Use proper layout, indented and sequence. Tabular, flow chart, pie chart can be applied. Next, I am giving you one example here. So first of all, I am giving you one passage. It is unpretentious structure tucked in corner of Chandni Chowk. It could be noticed by passerby for a chirping which gives away unique mission. Charity Words Hospital is only one in kind of country. Many people arrive here daily, injured birds, which may have found lying on the roadside. After quick inspection, attendants makes a simple entry in register. So here patients are injured birds, and person, kind of word, date, and admit the patient for treatment free of cost. This is the unique. This is free of cost. Charity Words Hospital. This is a unique mission, and it is situated at the corner of Chandni Chowk. And one more thing, it is free of cost. So injured birds which are lying on the roadside, they have been admitted in this hospital. Now I am just telling you the process. Ailing bird, injured birds, administered first aid is given, then they are kept in isolated cage, and medication, proper care which is needed after the wound heals. The birds are allowed to fly. So this is the process. Progress of the hospital has slow but steady, that is for a noble mission. So till 1968 only Ayurvedic treatment was given. Allopathy was adopted that year, and it was recently, as in 1992, other facilities have been provided in this hospital. So this is given the process. Now I am explaining you how to make notes. So dear students, in short, I told you about the passage. This is unique mission. First of all, you have to mention the title, Charity Hospital for Birds. You have seen, this is the title. Then you have to follow the format, place and origin. Location, corner of Chandni Chowk. The Charity Hospital for Birds is situated at the corner of Chandni Chowk. Its founder Lala Lachumal Jain, and the hospital was founded in the year 1929. Growth was slow. In 1929, it started with one room structure. 1957, present building has been set up. Facilities up to 1968, Ayurvedic treatment was given. From 1968, allopathy introduced. From 1992, pathological lab test, surgery. These facilities have been given. Next, process of treatment. People bring injured birds. This is the first process. So, here patients are these birds. Injured birds are admitted in the hospital, name of person, kind of word, date, entry in register, ailing word, they are given first aid, medication, and after that they have been admitted in the hospital. So this is the process. This hospital is running through charity. Donations are given by businessmen, visitors and tourists. Uniqueness charitable, no government funds, free of cost treatment, 4,000 to 5,000 birds are admitted per day. Expenditure rupees 6 to 7 lakh annually. Next, but it has some drawbacks. Drawbacks are there that pets are not admitted in the hospital. Carnivorous and pets excluded. They are not included. They are not admitted in the hospital. Second thing, research work is not possible because this hospital is at the corner of Chandni Chowk. So the location is inaccessible. That is the problem, and progress of hospital is slow. No government fund is there. Location inaccessible because it is situated at the corner of Chandni Chowk. Research work is not possible. So these are some drawbacks. So dear students, in this way you can make chart. People bring injured birds. First, name of person, kind of bird, date mentioned in register, entry in register, and injured birds are given first aid, medication, and they are kept in isolated cage, moved to common section and allowed to fly away. And third point is given resources. Because this hospital is running by charity, charity is given by businessmen, visitors and locators. Some people, rich people, they used to give donations. Unique mission, I have already told you in the beginning, charitable, no government fund is there. Free of cost treatment. Per day, 4 to 5,000 birds are admitted per day. Expenditure rupees 6 to 7 lakhs, but death rate is high. This is the drawback. Carnivorous and pets are excluded. Location inaccessible and no research work possible. So dear students, you have to make notes. Minimum 3 and maximum 4 to 5 points you have to make. You have to follow the proper format. Can use short form, abbreviations, sign, symbol. Avoid complete sentences. No need to use sentence linkers, articles, prepositions. Complete sentences are avoided. So this is the proper format. After that you have to make summary of the passage. And summary of the passage, it should be in about 80 to 100 words. Make keynote like for work. You can use work, then you have to mention work. Location you can use in this way. and you have to use sign symbol where it is necessary. After that you have to make key to abbreviation 4 to 5 key to abbreviation should be there. But you have to use these abbreviations in your notes. And summary, it should be in 80 to 100 words. This is the second part. Chandni Chowk has an unpretentious structure, that is Charity Words Hospital. In the beginning I have already told you, which is one of the whole country. Birds are treated in the hospital. After making an entry to the registered name of the person who carries the injured birds, treatment starts free of cost. Hospital takes sole responsibility to heal the wounds of bird. Bird is kept under observation till it becomes able to move to the common section with other birds. Hospital gets a fund from tourist visitors. Common man does not get any fund from the government. So this is a noble mission. So this is very simple process. You have to follow the format, read the passage very carefully, and just mention the main points. Avoid the complete sentences. I hope you can understand well. If any confusion, you can ask me freely, and you have to put your views, remark, compliments in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.